Good morning, principal, teachers, and fellow schoolmates.
I am 5E Ajuni.
I'm 5A Kiva.
The first round of readathon was held on the 15th, 18th, 19th, 20th, 21st, 22nd, 25th, and 26th of November. Hello everyone, welcome to today's morning podcast. Dear S1 and S2 schoolmates, did you enjoy the first round of readathon?
I'm pretty sure you all enjoy the activities so much and have fun in it.
I'm sure many of you want to know the results and rankings of the first round of readathon.
Then you should pay attention now.
First, let's look at the names of the students who rank above level 3 and attained good performance in each S1 class.
1A 陳建豪、陳綠琪、鄭宇軒、張韻詩、簡卓南、林卓義、劉奕新、林超恒、納爾齊凡、譚嘉希、鄧范雲天、蔡家浩、黃子柔、張俊宏。
1B Gabriel, Alyssa, Pershan, Leo, Aradhya, Sohan, Siddharth, Ivanka, Alexandra, Andy, Brian, Prabik, Yuvan, Syra, Iris, Rihanna, Ungma, Adriel, Ira, Iza.
1C 戚宇謙、黃子津。 1D 蔡子晴。 1E 陳思業、蔣博文、周景南、梁嘉莉、李俊富、陸卓星、吳希雷、吳奕坤、潘子喬、蘇秦偉、蘇宏音、譚其俊、杜子軒、曾柏恒、徐子賢、黃之永、楊琪希、葉詠森、張偉、趙元晴、莊子欣。
Congratulations to all of you. We truly hope that you can achieve a better results or maintain the highest level in the second round of readathon.
How about Form 2 classmates?
Now let's continue with our announcement.
2A 蔡子柔、陳子軒、陳影曼、陳子婷、陳澤涵、鄭柏軒、鄭日林、朱善彤、林俊銘、劉卓南、劉俊宏、梁以軍、林書宇、莫卓培、萬子軒、黃毅瑾、黃雲林、許世威、許偉森、容家浩、莊柏麗、陳銘俊。
2B Zara, Samiksha, Garima, Lloyd, Waso, Habiba, Nation, Sesihang, Tumya, Yuncho, Isabella, Samuel, Yangcha, Aima, Sisir, Somya, Abunav, Suhana.
2C 張文星、朱日濤、黎心晴、林嘉晴、黃景雲、溫樂文、楊浩信。 2D 林天恒、李建峰、黃文輝、朱尚博。 2E 李樂怡、林琪超、林子涵、林心雅、劉佳瑞、盧永日、馬思慧、吳子浩、陳柏瑞、黃庭義、黃正浩、黃妙嘉、黃卓軒、許桑南、燕涵君、楊浩晴、朱錦軒。
Congratulations on the mentioned classmates. Try your best. We all believe that you can make a better achievement in the second round of readathon.
That's the end of our announcement. Thanks for your attention. Bye bye。